Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing good. And today is another day, and as I told you, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. So this is the next day. So this is a day 2 of what I eat in a day series. So let us start. So I have started the day with a cup of green tea. So this is what I drank in the morning before having my breakfast. So I'm preparing breakfast now. So you can see I'm preparing dosa here. So for breakfast it was dosa, chutney and sagu. So this is like South Indian breakfast. So I will just have one or two small dosas, and I will have a little bit of chutney and sagu. So this is what I'm going to eat for breakfast. So I'm preparing breakfast for my husband too. So for him I'm going to add I'm going to prepare like masala dosa, like apply chutney over dosa and then add ghee, butter or ghee, and then apply chutney to the dosa and then sagu in the middle, or like potato filling in the middle. So that is what I'm going to prepare because he likes that very much. So I'm going to prepare dosa for him like this. I was actually feeding my son. So in between, my husband was working. So he told me that he'll have a little bit late. So I was feeding my son. So then in between, I had to prepare dosa. So I'm feeding him and also preparing dosa. So he's playing there, and he's having his breakfast. Meanwhile, this dosa also is getting ready. So this is the dosa I'm preparing. I told you, like, right, the masala dosa kind of dosa. So this is the one. I just added a little bit of butter. Then I'm going to add lots of chutney. And a little bit of sagu in the middle so that it tastes good. So this is the masala dosa. After that I prepared my dosa, and I had just one dosa, sagu and chutney today. I told you I might have one or two, right? So I just had one. So this is my breakfast. After having breakfast, I had to clean the room. After cleaning the room, I was just sitting and watching some videos on YouTube. Later, my husband he prepared this cool drink. That is what he told, and this is made of ice apple and some other ingredients. So you can see sabja seeds, ice apple. So this is what he prepared. After that, it was like a little bit of snack time, morning snack time. I ate half apple and 2-3 pieces for my son. So I'm just cutting an apple here. So usually I don't give with skin apple for my son, so I just peel out the skin and then give it to him. So that is what I'm doing. little bit of apple was left out, so I'm just keeping that in fridge. Then I put clothes for washing. I had to wash. There were a few clothes which I had to wash. It was all my son's, so I'm just putting them for wash. Usually I keep the timer for 30 minutes. Today I just kept it for 1 hour. It was a little bit dirty. He went to play in the park, so his clothes were a little bit dirty. So I thought, let me just keep it for 1 hour. And these are few clothes which I had to arrange in the cupboard, so I'm just keeping them. So his toys will be all over the house, here and there, especially in our room. This is lunchtime now and I'm going to eat fruit. So this is what I had today. I had muskmelon, a bowl of muskmelon. After that I had a cup of green tea. Yes, so green tea I had in the evening. I had my lunch, and then later at evening, I think 5:30, so I had my green tea. So I'm preparing my green tea now. With green tea I had like 2 dates. So one is for my husband and 2 is for me. So I was not like quite hungry today also, so I did not have much. And then I had this chivda. It was like homemade and it is not like prepared in oil. So this was, I just munched little bit. So this is what and for dinner I prepared khichdi, that is broken wheat khichdi. Just add all the vegetables you like and then add everything in cooker and your khichdi is ready. So this is what I had. So this was what I eat in a day, guys. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next one, bye.